Hey, you. Yes, you. See all these wonderful people right here? They are my Patreons. With the support I get from them, I can afford to do my passion as a career and bring you guys weekly videos. Want to join them? For just $1 a month, you can get videos 24 hours before anyone else. And for even higher tiers, you can get Polaroids, letters, and mystery boxes from me to you. And even fursuit parts, not to mention my eternal thanks. So what are you waiting for? Become a Patreon today via the link in the description. Thanks again, enjoy the video. Hello everyone and happy Sky High Sunday! Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the easiest Buckethead base I've ever made. For this tutorial we're going to start with a Sharpie, some 2-inch thick foam, some scissors, measuring tape and glue gun. You do not require a mannequin head for this tutorial. First we're going to start drawing a rectangle of 24.5 inches by 7 inches. This will be the start of our base. On this rectangle, I mark a point 4.5 inches on the vertical and 4 on the horizontal, and connect the two with a curve. This will allow the wearer to freely move their head. I also mark the center of the piece and I cut it all out of foam and remove the curved areas as well. I use my mannequin head to mark the place of the eyes, nose and mouth, however you can use your own head for this. The foam should end about mid-forehead and go just past your chin. I use these marks to draft the holes for the eyes and mouth. Think Darth Vader shapes, and then I cut these out. Now we are going to draft some more pieces out of foam. We need one 10 by 2 inch rectangle and two 2 by 4 inch rectangles. I also do 4 triangles that I've drafted to fit in between these pieces. You can draft them yourself or use my pattern available on my Etsy for purchase right now. I cut all of these out of foam, ready for assembly. I now mark quarter marks along the top of my main piece, so 1 center mark and 2 between that and the ends. I take my long rectangle piece and glue to the center mark. And I glue the 2 small pieces to the quarter marks. Now I grab the short ends of my main piece and glue them together. And take the remaining end of my long piece and glue to the seam of the main piece. I mark the midway point of my long piece and glue each side rectangle to the midpoint. Now, you can just use the bucket head like this, however I like to add these triangles for lining purposes. I take each triangle and start by gluing one side into the gap in the base and repeating on the remaining sides. I then glue the second side and the third. The third may be a little bit tricky, so if you're not confident, I suggest cooling down your glue gun for a bit to avoid burning your fingers. And spray glue between the seams and use your fingers to work the two pieces together. Now you're done! A perfect bucket head base for building your fursuit on. Got any questions? Leave them down below. I reply to all comments within the first 2 hours of this video going live, so I'll see you down there in a hot second, and I'll see you guys next time I make a tutorial where it will be how to custom line your fursuit head. So I'll see you there. Goodbye. Thank you.